Today I want to talk stock photography and model releases. This is something that is very important and is going to really help you generate more sales. So let's get started. In the past, doing model releases was a pain, and this is what I had. I walked around with this, and I had model releases for every agency. I had Dreamstime, I had Shutterstock. So every agency was filed here. This is how I started. This is what stock photography was like. You would go and take pictures of somebody and then be like, hey, can you sign here, please? Some said yes, some said no, but most people said yes. But that's how it used to be. Things are different now. Things have changed, and it's so much better. So if you're not doing model releases, I don't know why. If I did it with this, then you could do this step I'm about to show you. This is an image I took with the Mini 3 Pro. That was me standing on one of my favorite places here in the mountains. And I'm gonna use this picture. I've already submitted it. It already got accepted. I'm just gonna re-upload it to show you the model release process as it is today in 2022. So let me go back and upload. I'm gonna drag and drop the image and upload it to Shutterstock. Once it's uploaded, once it's right here, you click next, you go to the next step, and it's gonna ask you some questions. Image to submit. Right here under releases, it says request new model release. So I click request new release because I need a new release. So here it asks me if it's for an adult, for a child. Let me go back to, it's asking me if it's a new model release, a minor, or a property release. It's for me, so I'm an adult apparently. So I hit continue. Now it's gonna ask some information, my name, the model's name, and yes, you do need a model release even if you are your own model. So anyway, you just come in and you fill out the email address. I put in my address in here. Then if you want any message or like, hey, it's me, remember, model release? You can do whatever message you want. It depends on who you're dealing with and who you're talking to, but this just makes it super easy. It has a date for the reference. You can change the date to the date on the picture if you want to. That'll probably be a lot easier. Lightroom gives you all that information. Then you click here where it says create and sign. As a photographer, you have to sign it and the model has to sign it. So this is a very important step. I allowed DocuSign so that it takes me right here. I've done this before. I just click, there's my signature, there's all my information. I click finish, and now that is it. That's from the photographer side. Now I just kind of sit here and wait for the computer to say I've got mail. I actually don't know if it's going to say that. Then I just click on the email, look at the document, and now it gives me an area where I can fill out and sign as the model. So this is going to send you the email directly to the model. No need to carry any of this stuff around. It's simplified like you can't believe. I click here, my computer's shaking. I click here to agree and then click continue, and that's gonna just take my signature. That's my signature. So adopt and sign. Fill in the blanks. The model does this from home or from their cell phone. It's easy, it's done. When they click attach, you can click a file like your own selfie from your phone just to have that here, a visual reference. You click finish, and this is gonna go back to me as a photographer. It's all done digitally. There's no reason not to have it. This goes, all right, let me just put in some numbers here for the cities and for the address, just because I want to show you step by step. Finish. And then just like that, I got on my email, I got the new document, and here it is. It's signed by me, the photographer, signed by me, the model. That's it. Now you can download this. You could, right here, I'm using, what is this? This is just the Safari. So you can download it as a combined PDF. Here it is, it's in my downloads folder. I have the model release, then all I do is go to Shutterstock and upload it. The interesting thing is when you download this file, it's gonna save it as a PDF. You cannot upload a PDF document model release to Shutterstock. So yeah, I can go right here, file, export, and I'm gonna export as a JPEG, and I don't need it at full resolution. I could just do a little bit less. I changed the name to my initials and the date the image was taken. And I will save this. I'm gonna put it right on my desktop. It's so much easier for me to, then I organize model releases in a different folder, but this way I know where it is and I can upload it fairly quickly. So once it's on my desktop, I click upload. I come over here and I find the initials. That's the model release. I click upload and it goes right to Shutterstock. Once you go into this page, once you're uploading and submitted the release, it's asked for questions. It wants your ethnicities up to 2. Then it wants your age and your gender. I've already done this. I've already uploaded and the picture has been accepted. It's just waiting for a sale. So that's it. It's super easy. You know, it went from carrying this around to now just being able to do everything digitally. This is how technology is changing and helping us. You don't have to lug this thing around and you know, bring pencils and spend 10 minutes with the model there signing everything. This simplified the process. And I know this is just for Shutterstock, but every agency that I use takes the Shutterstock model release. Every single one except for Getty. Getty has their own setup like this. Having this model release, now I can go back to the other 7 or 8 agencies that I use it and upload the same model release, simplifying life. It's so much easier now. You don't spend time with the model face to face, like signing all these documents. That took a lot of time. Now they can do it from their own home. Super easy, from their phone, from anywhere in the world. So you don't have to be pushy. All you ask is for their email and you just tell them, hey, I'm gonna send you an email. Would you mind filling out a model release? 99% of the time, everyone's told me yes. And that's because it is less intimidating. You're not walking around with this. It makes life so much easier and so much more convenient. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.